Okay, Jyotsna ji, there is that one question that is again and again being discussed today, especially on the social media. Lot of people, Gopal ji, I'm going to come back to you, but Jyotsna ji, before I get in Gopal ji into the conversation, tell me something. What is your next demand that you will make? And clearly when you realize that you have the numbers, much like the JDU, even though, there are those clips of the Prime Minister during, a lot of these election campaigns in Bihar, he said, special Rajya ka darja milna chahiye. But clearly you are looking at a government that has corrected that position now. So is this an alliance of convenience? You give them the political stability they need, and in turn, you also get what you want. And clearly the opposition says this can't go on for too long. You both are being very selfish. You're not thinking of the middle class or of the poor or of the yuva. You are guilty of playing politics, Jyotsna ji.
I think I'll have to correct the statement there. We are not selfish, and also it's not like what we want, it's what we deserve. Let me put it very clearly here. When today we have around 15,000 crores given to Amaravati, the capital city of Andhra Pradesh. It was very clearly mentioned in the AP Reorganization Act that the centre would aid in the construction of new capital for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Simple. Have we asked anything more? Or are we getting anything more? Let me put it very clearly
but
here.
But last time around, Jyotsna ji, when the TDP had walked out of the NDA, that was on the demand for special status. You clearly have also revisited your position.
Let me come back to that. I'm answering that. I know that would be your next question because I've been answering it for so long. Now, the point is, yes, things were different in 2014. Yes. That's when the state was divided. In 2019 also, because we had to come out after the special package was granted to the state of Andhra Pradesh, there were certain discrepancies in it. After that, we walked out. But later to that, for the past 5 years, if we see, nothing has happened in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It's a complete financial mayhem in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So definitely, to correct the financial situation of the state and also to bring back Andhra Pradesh on track, we had to take certain decisions. And that the decision of coming into NDA was one amongst that, because we need a holistic development of the state of Andhra Pradesh. And we are, today if we see this, people are questioning why 15,000 crores for capital and why complete assistance to Polavaram. Polavaram is a national status project, and definitely it was promised earlier also that the assistance would be given by the centre. But because it has lagged, almost 5 years we have lost. So definitely the centre would help us more in the coming 5 years to build it ASAP, because that's also required for the food security of the nation as well. It's not for Andhra Pradesh itself. We have to understand certain points. Again, if we are talking about the industrial corridors, we are talking about the Hyderabad-Bangalore corridor, we are talking